Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Leader. Today we are going to see one of the most important topic in AWS, which is EC2. EC2, what is meant by EC2? It is a elastic compute cloud. It is one of the infrastructure as a service in AWS. What is that EC2 means? Actually, we have heard virtual machines, right? We are having a computer or a system in a virtual mode in the AWS, which is called a EC2. It mainly consists of the capability. What are the capabilities of this EC2 having? We can able to rent a virtual machines in AWS. We can able to store the data in virtual drives on virtual drives, which is in EC2. We can distribute the load across machine. If you are having a lot of EC2 machines and we want to distribute the load evenly to the all the EC2 instance we are having, we can use ELB, that is elastic load balancer. We are having a lot of things in EC2. We will see everything in a separate topic in the upcoming videos. And finally, we can able to scale the services using the auto scaling group. Suppose if you are receiving a lot of load to a single instance and we want to increase one more instance, means we can use a auto scaling group which will automatically increase the instance or decrease the instance based on the load. And then if you are buying a system or a computer in an offline mode, what we will see mostly, we will see what is the RAM, what is the storage capacity, and what are the configurations it is having. Same thing applying here also. Before creating the EC2 instance, we can choose the size and configuration options. What are the things we can choose? We can choose the operating system. In AWS, this EC2 instance supporting three things: Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. We can choose any one of this. And what are the compute, how much compute power and cores we can choose, and we can choose the random access memory, and we are also able to choose the storage. Here we are having a two types of storage. One is a hardware and another one is a network attached. Hardware means if you are creating a EC2 instance, it will get attached to the EC2 instance itself. If you are deleting the EC2 instance, the storage we are having inside the hardware means it will automatically delete when we delete the instance. But we are having a network attached storage also, which is EBS and EFS. If you are having a files inside the EBS or EFS, if you delete the EC2 instance also, we can able to retain the files inside the EBS and EFS. And then network card, and then firewall rules like security group we can able to create, like what are the things we can able to send from EC2 instance and what are the things it can reach to the EC2 instance. We can decide that using the security group. And finally, we can also use the bootstrap script. What is meant by the bootstrap script? It is easy to use the data, which means we can able to bootstrap our instance using this user data. What is this bootstrap means? It is a launching commands when a machine starts. Before we will see that in hands-on. While creating the EC2 instance, we will just paste some data or a file inside the user data script. This user data script can have a commands to install a software or install a update, or else you can download a file, some files, whatever the things we want, we can mention it in the EC2 user data. What will happen is when we create this EC2 instance, the things we are having in the EC2 user data will automatically get updated or installed in the EC2 instance. We don't need to install separately. Okay. This EC2 user data will run with the root user. Thank you.